Kia ora matua. How do you think the recycling has gone today at the Poukai?
Excellent, excellent. I'll do it again if we this year and next year and next year after. Everybody corresponded with everything we said. We told them what to do. No trouble from anybody. So I wonder what two atuke mihi ki a koe pene. Tāra mai koe ki o tēnei o tātou mara. Tātou tēnei ka.
What did you do for your waste in past Poukai?
We had one 3-metre bin. Everything went in there. And that was it. Everything was all mixed together. Bottle of clay. Sometimes clay. If our big man didn't turn up.
Have you got an idea how much recyclables you've done so far?
Oh, gee. I think we could have probably filled 2 bins up. The red and the blue.
Yeah.
Probably full one of those.
And do you think this Poukai has been as large as years gone by, or do you think they're starting to get smaller?
It's getting smaller because we just about got everyone in there, into the wharekai.
So Matua, how many people do you think attended the Poukai?
Well, our first sitting we held 320 people. And now, in the second sitting, it's about 100 in there now. So, roughly around 420, maybe more, 450.
So what are your thoughts for Parakore on this marae going forward?
Well, I'd like to keep it going. If there's any other who's here, I'll see him keep it going. I hope he does.